Yeah, let's talk about Excel VLOOKUP. Yeah, let's say for example you see all these numbers here. You want to have a lookup where you can actually search for maybe the student ID, and then you get the result of the student, like get the student. So let me say you are looking for, let me call it let's call this place student ID, like this. And you also want to see maybe the result, like the name of the person. Have a student ID and then the name. So these are two things I want to probably look at: the name, and then what do I need to do here? If I type the name here, instead of me going to number one, but I have this range number. So if I type the range number in here, that is going to appear. So let's say a student bring his or her issues, and you want to know who is the student. You just need to type, let's say 24 RP 10305. Like this is the person's page number, and then you want to check the person's name. So how are you going to do that? So all you just need to do in this case is you just need to put all the persons and then type it, and the name is going to come out. So what you need to do is you create a VLOOKUP table, a table where you search the person's name, and then the person comes out. So in this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go in here, and then when I go in here, I am going to say write a lookup, a VLOOKUP, where the person's, whenever I search the person's range number, the person is going to come out. So in this case, I'm going to say here, I'm going to write equal to VLOOKUP. As you can see, this is the VLOOKUP, and then the way it is, open bracket, and where is it going to be looking up to here, which is this. Then after that, all you need to do is that you need to select the entire table where the names and the range number is located. So that is why you can see here. Then after that, you need to understand, you type into, and you say it is false. So I am going to use false, and then with this, the next thing you can do is to close up the bracket and you press enter. So what does it mean? Anytime you come here and let's say you type the student range number, and let's change this thing to this person's range number here, or let me copy this range number. If I copy it and automatically paste it here, as you can see, automatically gives me the name of the student. So in this way, just like the way you do maybe bank account and rest of it, so it becomes a lookup where if anytime you pick up the person's name and then copy it and then paste it here, automatically gives you the person's name. You can see the student ID and then the student name. So if a student comes in and say, what is he asking, what is your range number? The person say my range number is let's say 24RP 11170. Once you press enter, you should be able to see the person's name. So this is simple way you can apply VLOOKUP in that. So once you go up to this, you can actually see you get all the person's details. So you can work with VLOOKUP. So thank you, and then let us move to another one.